Yeah, they circle them house with some cursing all our badness, we have a versatile.
Yo, the dumpling they almost done, you know. Where Batman this along with the chicken back? Me can't bother with the brother there, you know.
Hey, yo, my youth, you don't put a dumpling them.
Dog, don't ask about no dumpling, you know.
My youth, how you talk to? How you talk to my youth? You forgot to see my money by the floor. You want to hammer in your ass head? Eh? Hey, boy?
You know, say if you touch me with the hammer, they to them, you rip off your blood clotted, right?
Come rip it. Since you're bad, come rip off me head. You're damn it tough like. So, how one they already? Then two hungry belly gal reach already? Me wonder who Batman thinking about that.
I can't blood clot we. Bumbo clot me late again. I wonder if the dumpling them she up already. The dumpling them she already?
No, sir, them would have wait, man. But wait, I'm alone in here wear mask to protect myself from corona.
Dog, I mask that?
Then if I no mask, then how? You must think I'm a half idiot.
You're not half idiot, you're a full idiot. Yo, I can play some music, I can't deal with you.
Go along, Mr. Boring Superman. Go to a DJ and you don't even have a dub plate.
Let me see what I go on Zab TV. Bumbo clot, you always come with something new. Zabs TV presents Jamaican Heroes. A new episode every Friday. Yes, yo. Anyway, time to play some music. Hold on there, who that does walking at the building? The great Chung Lee and Domino, Batman your ex. Batman, go, you can't get back to work. Ladies, walk in panda one here.
Girl, you want walking
Girl, make me go in front of you, cause I can't bother with one Batman today. I don't want to talk to him. Don't make him come over here, so.
Domino, baby, let me talk to you for a second.
She said she don't want to talk to you. Go away.
Girl, how you talk to? How you talk to my girl? Hey, DJ, play me one bun to kill her, me hammer that girl.
Some girl understand themselves.
Come, make us your
like some back up and
Girl, you
shell.
want me to have
but that's the whole look on me, big body jumping. My money shit like a car. Dumpling. The bank account fatter than my front.
Perfect.
He needs some milk.
Me no want no milk. Just give me a cool red stripe and piece of bun.
Wakanda.
Black Panther, me a beg her bills.
We have to go.
Me a go use the restroom. The girl put her dirty foot in my face.
Everybody see that? Hey Batman, you alright? Boy, I never see somebody get so much kick in a one day.
DJ Soup, move and go away from you, so. You see nobody kick me. You stink like.
Hey girl, me never know. See, I saw your body and you give him some blood clot, you know? Alright, party time now.
Call me, yeah. The little man now fuck the good.
Right.
Better you fuck somebody, yeah.
My foot head on them heels and I go snap on the back, sir.
Wagwan, I'm in name Chucky. You want ramp with me?
I did all that just talk? No, Sammy, I have to take him out. Him cutie.
Wagwan, I'm in name Chucky. You want play with me CD bag? That ticklish. Then girl in a club I play with dolly balls and then blood clot dumpling at me teeth today. It's me, Mario.
Big up Mario just walking at the building. Mario, you know you've been collecting them coins. That's only a few. Money!
My girlfriend the diva.
Hello, Batman. I'm just here for the dumplings.
You put down dumpling in ya. You see your damn got big. Wanga got Mario. Take one and leave. Damn crib.
Okay then, go suck yourself. It's me, Mario. These dumplings look delicious, Batman.
Cut up fast. Give me this rat.
Mamma mia, to blood clot. I'm gonna kill you when I see ya. Give me back my dumplings. It's me, Mario.
Alright, time for starter vibes. Hey Flash, come take the mic and bring it out on the show. You Wonder Woman the mic. Where is Wonder Woman? Alright, Wonder Woman. Me I give you already man, sing something for the people.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your night.
Lighter! Lighter!
Make me feel like.
Alright, give the dolly the mic. My mirror thing can sing.
What song should I sing, friend?
Sing any song you like. Just dedicate a song to me.
You know I
Wait!
That's your well bad enough to know what time it is.
Blood, big blood clot show.
After that fuck yeah, you have to come back. Cause you are
Bumbo clot, you know.
No, Sam, you have to see this.
Is that mad girl you wine pan Dolly? Me got this dumpling.
Why not, Chucky? Why not, Chucky? Why not, Chucky?
And violin, just wind up and rub down your pretty skin.
Fuck that, me no need that. Find the cheese spot, jam inna the treetop. Inna the car trunk, kitchen.
Do not kill him, not kill him, not kill him.
Till we reach the
Straight up.
Baby, me just
Why not, Chucky? Why not, Chucky? Why not, Chucky?
fuck me on my birthday.
Break it up, break it up, break it up. Can't nobody know I come wine for me. Me go eat the dumpling them now. Well, and they what? Don't get David Banala!